In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ungated in hundreds of books, 100% free. I actually linked a document below that has all the books you can get ungated in. I apologize, the audio in this video is not the best. And remember, this is made possible by GoToLister, the fastest listing software on the planet. And hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let me know if you have any questions below. And at the end of this video, there is a special gift for you guys. So 100% free, just watch until the end. Much love, peace. We're gonna go over how to get ungated in many publishers and just restricted books in general on Amazon, 100% free. This is the fastest method to get ungated in books. And as you can see here, I provided this spreadsheet, which I'll also link below. I made this spreadsheet going to keepa.com, and I downloaded a list of books from the top bookseller, Better World Books, one of the top booksellers on Amazon. And this is just a list of his top selling books. So if you guys want access to this list, it's 100% free. Just click the link below, and I've shared that document down there. Now what we're going to do is upload all of these very quickly to Amazon automatically, and this is going to allow us to get auto-ungated in a lot of these books, and then we'll have to request approval on the others. But this method I'm about to lay out is by far the fastest to do this. So I'm super excited to share this. So what you're going to do, you will need a GoToLister account, but you can get a free trial. This is software I created, but this is a new feature we have to bulk upload. So what you'll do is go within a batch, click on bulk upload, click on select CSV file, and now you're going to grab the file that I've shared below. And what this is going to do is it's going to upload all of these columns. So literally all you have to do is click on that. All the columns automatically match because the way I made the spreadsheet is compatible with the software. And then you're going to click on upload. And now what's happening is GoToLister is listing all of these books in your inventory. And if you're gated in the books, it's going to put it in the error queue over here. So you can see these are books that I can sell. And then over here, these are books I can't sell. So all I need to do is click on apply, and it's going to open up Seller Central, automatically paste that ASIN in, and then I can quickly request approval. So again, this is by far the fastest way to request approval on books, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys have any questions at all about selling books on Amazon, comment below. I also have my free group below that we meet every single week. You'll get a course I used to charge $400 for, teaching you step by step how to. Hope you guys enjoy this. Much love. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.